This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your system can handle animated wallpapers. Check Windows 10 build and free disk space, then install Wallpaper Engine or a trusted animated wallpaper app. Once done, run the installer and allow the program through Windows Defender. Make sure to grant administrator rights so drivers and background services install correctly. This avoids permission issues later. After installation, open the app and sign in or skip optional syncing. Then proceed to import or select your animated wallpaper source. Now import your media. Click Add or Browse and pick a video, GIF, or workshop scene. Once the asset loads, adjust playback and performance settings, set loop, mute audio if undesired, and cap frame rate between 30 and 60 frames per second to balance smoothness and CPU use. Then assign the wallpaper to a specific monitor or span across multiple displays. Make sure to configure the app's performance profile and battery rules so the wallpaper pauses on low power or full-screen apps to preserve resources. Finish by applying your settings and testing. Switch apps, watch a full-screen video, and confirm the wallpaper pauses or continues per your rules. If you encounter stutter, black screens, or the wallpaper won't start, update your GPU drivers and set the animated wallpaper app to use the discrete GPU in graphics settings. This often resolves rendering issues. If problems persist, restart Explorer, EXE or reinstall the app, and double-check antivirus exclusions. These steps clear common initialization and permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.